Hey guys, coming in with a real quick video on the assignments for Unit 7, Session 2. So let's review real quick how to get to these. You got a couple of options here. When you come to the class, you will land on the updates page. One of the things that you'll see on the updates page are these updates slides. Based on the fact that you're watching this video, you've probably seen where they are. So within this slideshow, you can click the next arrow, and this is the stuff from last week, but you'll see similar things this week. You can click on these links and they'll take you right to the assignment. So that's one option. Or you hit Materials, English 9 Semester 2, scroll down to our current unit, Unit 7. If you haven't watched the weekly introduction video yet, please make sure you do that. So we hit Unit 7, and this week we're on Unit 7, Session 2. Here's the recommended timeline for the week. It's also posted on our update slide. Keep in mind that this session, we got 3 days before spring break, then there's spring break, and then the final 2 days are after spring break. So the assignments that we have going on in this session, basically we're looking at reading strategies in two particular areas. Remember, we talked about the goal of this whole unit is exploring transformations. In other words, how does language transform over time? And as a reader, what strategies can you use to access those changes and make sure that you're comprehending language from a variety of sources? So what we've got this week are really, there's just two assignments: strategies for reading poetry, strategies for reading dramatic dialogue. These assignments, or at least the way that you do these assignments, is fairly similar. So let's take a look at how you do it. These assignments are offered through the SAS Curriculum Pathways resource. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to use this link. This link will take you to an outside website. When you get to that website, you need to put in this username, agreed9spread. Leave the password blank, put that in as the username. You can copy and paste it in, or you can type it in, and then you'll go through the activity. You'll be typing out your answers. After you complete the activity, you need to select email. There's a few options. Please select the one that says email. Okay, select email and then have it emailed to yourself. Okay, put in your own email address so you get your work emailed to you. What you're then going to do is you're going to access your email, and you can copy and paste those answers that you got by email directly into a Word document, and that's what you're going to submit in the Dropbox. Okay, so let's go through those steps again just to make sure you're set. You're going to click on this link. This takes you to the external resource. And then you type in the password, agreed9spread. You can also paste it in if you want. Hit login, and now we're in the actual activity itself. So you'll put your name in here. You can see, okay, here's our goals. Predict what you will learn while you're reading. Identify details and organize ideas after reading. Explain what you have learned. So you'll put in your name, hit go, and then again when you finish, please select the email option. Okay, again, select email and have the answers sent to your own email address. After that happens, go to your email, copy the email that you got from the website, and then paste that into a Word document, and the Word document is what you're going to submit. Okay, so that's the process for these assignments here. The place to submit that Word document is, of course, right here on the next page. And then we've got one more similar assignment, strategies for reading dramatic dialogue. So this is the same sort of thing. It's through the same external website. You'll click this link, put in the password, and then when you're done with the activity, select email, get the answers emailed to you, copy those into a Word document, and submit that Word document. So that's what we are looking at. Again, just 2 assignments this week. Thank you in advance for your hard work on them, and as always, let me know if I can help you.